This is the Sunforce triple head solar motion activated light install, brought to you by Ultimate Tech Hub. The Sunforce solar light has 3 rotating heads for maximum light coverage from multiple angles. And remember, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it. If you love it, hit subscribe. Very secure. Not going to move. Now just plug in the solar panel to the light with the cord provided. And you're done. The plug goes right here on the bottom left of the light. Right there. Okay, so here's the connection to the stucco. It's not super secure. It will hold up, but I may switch it to the soffit later. So before using the solar light, you should let the solar panel charge the batteries for 3 days. Make sure the power is set to the off position, then after 3 days, set it back to auto. So I want to thank you for watching, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it. If you love it, hit subscribe. It's free. Thank you again for watching. This is the second light kit I installed on the other side of my house. I installed the light kit and the solar panel to the wooden soffit. As you can see, it's very secure. Next, angle the solar panel to face the sun to get maximum exposure.